Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer USDC from Robinhood to XMO in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto holdings or just move funds for better opportunities, this step-by-step process will make it simple and secure. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have verified accounts on both Robinhood and XMO. Verification is key to avoiding any delays or issues, so double-check that your identity is confirmed on both platforms. This usually involves uploading ID and waiting for approval, which might take a day or two. Once you're all set, log into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to your crypto section and locate your USDC balance. It's crucial to verify how much USDC you have available, keeping in mind any potential withdrawal fees that could eat into your funds. Robinhood might charge a small fee, so plan accordingly to avoid surprises. Next, initiate the withdrawal. Go to the Withdraw or Transfer option in your USDC wallet. Select USDC as the asset, and choose the appropriate blockchain network, typically Ethereum, for USDC transfers. Now, you'll need to enter your XMO wallet address. This is super important. Copy and paste it carefully to prevent any errors that could send your funds to the wrong place. After confirming the details and fees, approve the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Robinhood. The transfer might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. On the XMO side, log in and navigate to the deposit section. Select USDC and the matching blockchain network. Paste the deposit address if needed, and wait for the funds to arrive. Once they show up, you're good to go. A quick tip: always use a secure connection and enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. Also, keep an eye on gas fees if you're using Ethereum, they can fluctuate. There you have it, you've successfully transferred your USDC from Robinhood to XMO. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.